Hello, I'm back. I am going to put you on fast forward right after I show you what inspired this page. So, I was looking for a way to incorporate this brick textured paper, and I went online and I found this. So I thought I would drop a sketch to kind of replicate it. So this is the sketch I came up with. And then I used this sketch to create this. So I will go over some of the products I used, and then I'm going to put you on fast forward while I assemble it. My camera ran out of memory and I didn't realize it. So I thought I would show you the finished product. So this little fireplace is going to be an interactive where I can put a 3x4 photo. It'll probably end up being a little smaller than a 3x4. I'm going to clean it up some. And I goofed. I cut it not quite at exactly a half, but it's fine. And so I added some little brass fasteners. I think you saw me glue most of this on camera. And yeah, I sewed the trim. So that's it. So now I had originally intended on just using this page as it was, but now I'm going to have to cover this. Maybe I'll put a pocket or something there, but that is the page complete. And then this is the sketch. I think I did pretty well. Not too shabby. All right, that's it for today, and thanks for coming. Stay tuned for day 3, where I will probably finally do a flip through of my album. So, thanks. Bye for now.